Hello, everyone. I hope this finds you and your families safe and well. Firstly, thank you for the feedback you've provided regarding our efforts to continue to communicate business-critical updates throughout the COVID pandemic. I hope that you find that the combination of updates from Joe Bartolacci and the corporate team, along with those that I've been sending out, continue to be helpful. Today, my communication will focus on several key areas. First, an update on COVID-19. Then an update on our organization, along with the introduction of a new initiative around our market positioning. I'll also provide an update on our corporate diversity and inclusion activities that you may have recently read about. As a global organization, we've all felt the impact of COVID-19 to our personal and professional lives. As responses and infection levels fluctuate by country, we're seeing differences in reopening phases around the world. Our top priority remains and must continue to be the health and safety of our employees. So as stated before, SGK will take a very cautious approach to reopening. Regional leadership will follow local government guidelines in determining how and when we will reopen individual facilities, and will continue to work closely with the EH&S team to determine how these plans will be communicated and implemented when local government mandates allow. I ask you to continue to keep yourselves, your families, and your colleagues safe by following all local regulatory guidelines, including any local quarantine requirements as it relates to any vacation travel you may have planned this year. Switching gears, as you're aware from my previous leadership communication, we're aligning the organization into 4 key areas: our regional commercial teams who will own the P&L, global operations, global marketing, and global creative, the last of which will start in the Americas region and ultimately be rolled out in 2021. There's been a tremendous amount of work done to assess and enhance our global organization structure across all levels of our company. In essence, we're building a solution-driven focus across all aspects of our company to position us for success. In the coming weeks, you can expect specific communications from your managers and HR representatives as these activities are finalized. For a general overview and refresher, I'd ask you to take a few minutes to watch the video linked in this email. Along these same lines, you may have heard some whispers about a rebranding initiative underway for SGK and our suite of brands. About a year ago, we brought together leaders from across our brands, our regions, and our operations to take a hard look at how each brand was performing in the marketplace. Through numerous workshops, discussions with clients, and benchmarking exercises, this group has recommended a new brand structure, one that will help position us as the clear market leader. You'll be hearing a lot more about this as we get into our fourth quarter. Finally, as you saw in Joe's note last week, I'm proud to be taking the role of executive sponsor of the Matthews Diversity and Inclusion Initiative. I'm taking this role very seriously, as I believe the damaging effects of racism and systemic inequalities is something that must be addressed. We as a company have an opportunity to meaningfully impact this issue in the communities in which we operate around the world, and I look forward to working with you and your teams to start to tackle this over the coming months. In closing, I want to share with you how excited I am for the future of SGK. Your continued performance during the pandemic has been nothing short of amazing, and it's demonstrated our ability to adapt and continue to be nimble. This resiliency, along with the realignment of our organization and our brands, will help clarify our standing as the clear market leader and bodes extremely well for our future. I look forward to taking this journey with all of you. Until next time, please stay safe, and thank you again for your focus on the business.